In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Google form by requiring sign-in, limiting to one response, and collecting emails. First, open your Google form so you're on the main editor screen. At the top, you'll see three tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click Settings. This is where you control who can fill out your form and how many times they can submit. Inside Settings, look for the Responses section. This is the hub for access and submission controls. Start by turning on Require Sign-In. With this enabled, only people who are signed in with a Google account can respond. This is a simple but powerful way to keep random or automated submissions out, and to make sure every response is tied to a real user session. Keep in mind that anyone without a Google account won't be able to access the form, so this option works best for internal teams, classrooms, or trusted communities that already use Google. Next, enable Limit to One Response. This prevents the same signed-in user from submitting multiple times, which is especially useful for polls, registrations, or any survey where fairness and clean data matter. If someone tries to submit again with the same account, Google Forms will block the duplicate. If you anticipate genuine corrections later, consider communicating how respondents can contact you rather than submitting a new form, since the one response rule will be in place. Now, turn on Collect Email Addresses. This prompts respondents to provide a valid email and helps you organize follow-ups, send confirmations, or identify who has completed the form. It also adds accountability to your data. Be transparent with your audience about why you're collecting emails and how you plan to use them. And consider adding a brief note in your form description to set expectations. When your settings look good, it's time to share carefully. Click the link icon in the upper right of the editor to copy your form's link. Instead of posting it publicly, send this link only to trusted users, such as your team, class, or specific invitees. Sharing selectively helps maintain the integrity of your responses and reduces the chance of your form being circulated to unintended audiences. Before you roll it out widely, test your link the way your respondents will see it. Open it in a fresh browser session to confirm that sign-in is required, the form asks for an email, and duplicate submissions are blocked. With these settings in place, your Google form is more secure, your data is cleaner, and your workflow is smoother.